Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's makeup look, I wanted to do a very soft glam makeup look. You know, the look that's going around on Instagram. Also ladies, if you are out there and you're not into putting on false lashes or you haven't perfected it yet, this look is going to be perfect for you because I did not put on any false lashes today. I only put on my mascara. So I used about 4 coats of the Maybelline SnapScara. And also guys, if you are curious about this unit that I have on, I will link it in the description box. This is the unit that I had on for the hair review that I did for Divine Hair Rights. You guys, this is their 20-inch Brazilian body wave. These are still the same curls that I had when I curled it last time. So they held up and they dropped nicely. Like it has like a nice wave to it. So yeah girl. So if you guys are interested in getting this look and even recreating yourself, go ahead and continue to watch. And if you guys do recreate it, don't forget to tag me and I will link my my Instagram right here so that you guys know. And as always, don't forget that all products will be listed down below in the description box. Don't forget to give me a big like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you guys will be notified as soon as I post new videos on my channel. And as I mentioned in my previous video, don't forget to select all. Rude. Don't forget to select all so that you guys will be notified as soon as I post all my videos and not just some. Okay guys, this will be my first video for this week. I am going to be posting another video later this week because it's my birthday week. My birthday is Saturday, July 6th. So yes, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start out with the palettes and everything. I'm gonna be using mainly 2 palettes to create this look. I'm gonna start with the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna actually go in. Let me wipe off the palette because it's looking a little dusty, crusty. Just a little dusty there. Going into the shade Fudge. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to put her into the crease. And then also guys, keep in mind that this is going to be a very soft glam look. Meaning it just looks very effortless. Very put together and not doing too much, but you're still looking bomb. In the words of Brianna, if you've gotten this far in the video, give me a thumbs up in the comments. Shout out to her. So as she would say, we're cooking with grease. Alright, so next I am going to go into a new palette that I picked up from Walmart. Super gorgeous packaging, okay? And also on the back it has the eyeshadows and their names. And also the inside of it is super gorgeous, okay? It comes with a mirror. And it also comes, of course, with the eyeshadow palettes. And as you guys can see, they are super pigmented, super colorful, so super ready to try. I don't know why I'm saying super, but I'm ready to try the colors to see how they are. Take an eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. And I'm going to take the color, Next of Kin. And I'm going to put this all over the lid. Oh my god, it's so gorge. I'm actually going to put this in the middle of the lid. Rose gold shade. It's so pretty, guys. So pretty. Alright, next I'm going to go into I'm gonna take Good For You, which is right here. I'm gonna put her basically into the inner corner right here. See how she looks? Oh, guys, it's so pretty. So pretty. I'm gonna blend her in to next of kin, so that you guys can see. Gorgeous, guys. So I'm just gonna blend all that out. Okay. And then I'm just going to take Money Maker, which is this gold shadow here. And I'm just going to take my finger actually, and we're just going to pretty much just sliding it all over the lid. I'm gonna go back into the Subculture palette, and I'm going to take Fudge again, and I'm going to put that back into the crease just to define it just a little bit more, and kind of sort of smoke it out just a little bit. Go in with the shade Lavish. That's going to be my brow bone highlight. Take the fluffy portion of the brush with no product on it and just blend her out. I swear by the Maybelline SnapScara. Such a good mascara, guys. I highly recommend it. Alright guys, so next I'm just going to brush off this extra powder. The Soft Glam is always going to be about the look. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this shade. It doesn't seem not too much, but it's a nice little combination. Make It Last setting spray. Like Chestnut lip pencil. Going to go in with MAC Twig. Guys, this is the completed look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.